You okay? Hey. Okay.
Don't touch it.
No, I touched the bug.
Why? Did you hit your face? When you hit the window, did you hit your face?
Are you okay?
Don't touch it, Paige.
Please.
No, we don't know if it has a disease or anything. You can see him blinking. Don't, you will scare him. You gotta come from the front. I don't even think he knows you're there. Go walk around here. Just don't step on him. Hi. Don't hurt him. Yeah, okay. You know what? I'm gonna let you just go in front of him. But be careful. If he starts to just move his head, then he might peck you. Come from above. Gentle. Roll. He's so cute. Hey. No, you could fight with him. No, take a picture.
Take another.
What are we gonna name you? It's still a video page.
What about...
We don't even know if we're gonna keep them. Paige, go get your flip-flops and get my flops, okay?
Oh, I don't want to smush ya.
I want you to get my brown ones, not my pink ones.
Stunned? Is he stunned? Let him.
No, we patted him. He didn't move.
He's stunned.
What's that mean?
Is he gonna be okay?
Let's tell Mom to come see.
Taking a video. I'm gonna put this on Facebook.
Poor little guy.
I feel so bad for him. Can you get that black stand on the table so I can take a video of him? There's a stand right there.
Can I pet him again?
Yeah.
He's super gentle.
Just don't break his neck.
He's obviously trying to.
Hey.
Sword.
You okay? Does he know we're not hurting him?
Well, he's probably still stunned. If he ran into the window.
What's stunned mean?
Like his brain's all jostled and he doesn't know what's going on yet. He's not freaking out yet, so don't be too rough on him. He's so gentle.
Is he a chickadee?
Moving his head, that's a good sign.
Hey.
Don't try to pick him up. Just leave him be.
I know. He's just adorable.
You're gonna be okay.
Come on. If you're stunned, you'll be okay.
He doesn't understand us. Well, I don't think. If you understand us, you would talk to us, right? Hey. Don't pluck his feathers. Don't do that.
Don't be loud.
We gotta be quiet. Okay, you film him for now. I gotta go grab my... Yeah, just film him. I'm grabbing the stand. Make sure you get him in the thing. Oh, there we go.
You okay, little guy?
He's moving his head a lot.
That's better. Hold.
Yeah.
Do you think he knows we're nice people?
I can't see, Paige.
Oh, sorry.
Just
Why is it a trash can? I'm so sorry you fell. I got hurt.
don't be too harsh.
Do you think he's not stunned anymore? How long does it take them not to be stunned?
He seems pretty okay. I wish we had a carrot that he could just gnaw on. If he could eat a
They
carrot.
don't eat carrots, eat bugs.
What about birdseed? Sometimes.
Go find him a
chickadee.
Look him up.
I don't know what it is. He's kind of greenish, isn't he?
Yeah, he looks sort of like a chickadee.
He looks
If that was a hummingbird, that would be so awesome. Don't you think?
feel right here. It's so soft. His throat moved.
That's his lungs. Don't touch there. Or her.
How do you know if it's a him or a her?
You gotta check.
Don't check.
I'm not allowed to pick him up. It's hard to believe that that's feathers.
Did I hurt him?
No. Look at his eyes.
They're red on the ring.
Hey, careful.
Did you see him move his legs at all, Ron?
No.
I saw his lungs breathe. That's a good sign.
His lungs breathe.
His neck is moving, so his neck's not broken. His wings don't look broken.
But if they're fractured, that could hurt.
Yeah, let's give him some space now. Off the decking.
Can the princess stay here?
No, I want him to have a path. So Ron,
Can
will
I
move
still
out of the way.
leave that there?
Yeah, we'll
and
move this way
A bit.
so he can find a way out when he's ready to go.
He's so cute.
Can we just sit out here?
Do not block his path, okay? I want him to see that he has a path when he's ready to go.
Okay.
Fly away anytime.
You can go on your computer. I
thought you were talking to the bird. Yep, just take out your little mini computer and just text away. Text your mom.
Yeah, I think if it's I think his mom and grandma would be
Like, I didn't have time to text.